Hi there, fellow gardeners. Ready to turn your greenhouse into a 5-star plant hotel? Let's get our greenhouses ready for spring. Time to roll up those sleeves and get dirty. As it says in Ecclesiastes 3:1, to everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under the heaven. And right now, it's time to garden like there's no tomorrow. And what better purpose than preparing our gardens for a blooming season? Let's make those plants proud. First, let's start with a bit of cleaning. Think of it as spring cleaning, but for plants. Sweep out any debris and wash the interior with soapy water to remove pests and diseases. It's like giving your greenhouse a spa day. Don't forget to disinfect with a bleach solution, 1 part bleach to 9 parts water. It's like a deep clean, but without the cucumber slices on your eyes. Also, clean those gutters and downspouts. Next up, soil preparation. Because even plants need a good bed to sleep in. You might need to replace old soil or amend it with compost and nutrients. Think of it as giving your plants a gourmet meal. Make sure to test the soil pH and adjust it as needed. Because nobody likes sour soil, right? Now let's talk about pest and disease control. Time to play detective and catch those plant villains. Inspect your greenhouse for any unwanted guests and apply preventative treatments if necessary. It's like a security system for your plants. Check the structure of your greenhouse for any damage, because even greenhouses need a little TLC. Repair any cracks, holes, or broken glass and ensure there's proper ventilation. Think of it as giving your greenhouse a makeover. Don't forget to inspect and clean your heating, cooling, and irrigation systems, because plants like to stay comfy too. Test and repair them as needed. It's like a tune-up for your greenhouse. Time to start those seeds. Let's get those baby plants growing. Depending on the plant's needs, start seeds indoors or in the greenhouse using seed starting mix and trays. It's like a nursery for your plants. When it's time for planting, harden off those seedlings before transplanting them into the greenhouse. Think of it as plant boot camp. Space your plants appropriately to give them room to grow, because nobody likes a crowded room. Finally, keep an eye on the environmental control. It's like being the thermostat for your plants. Monitor the temperature and humidity, and adjust ventilation and shading as needed, because plants like to chill too. Remember, a little preparation now will lead to a bountiful harvest later. Happy gardening, everyone, and may your plants grow taller than your neighbors. Spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is. Jessica Harrelson. See you next time.